welcome back. As you can see, I am already out and about. I had a very productive day this morning before I had to take Zoe to school. And now, because it is Thursday, I am on my way to pick up my mom to go to the thrift store. I'm so excited. I don't think we went last week. It's been a couple weeks since we've been there. So I'm going to get a little thrifting done today. Then I'm going to go home and do some more stuff around the house. I want to do a little bit more decorating today if I get a chance to do that. I also need to go to the DMV and get my license renewed to get my new address on it. Zoe wants to go to the thrift store after school as well. So we may go to another thrift store here in town after she gets home from school. So we shall see. We shall see what the day entails. I'm not really quite sure, other than I've got a couple things that I need to get done, like I said. But we'll see what else develops throughout the day. So I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Weeks ago at Costco, I picked up these bamboo organizing boxes. There's 10 of them. There's two this size, two this size, two the square, two the long rectangle, a short rectangle, and a long rectangle. I was hoping that my knives were going to fit into this, but it's looking like only this one's going to work for the knives, possibly this one. So I don't know. We're going to try to figure out how to use them in my drawer, and we'll see how far we get. So, we'll see. Otherwise, I can use them for different things in different drawers as well. So, let's try it out. They didn't all work for what I want for the knives. So I've kind of spread them out throughout the shelf, my drawers, where I needed them. I took this one to hold, like big straws and straw washing tools. And then this one holds plastic lids for my mason jars. And then we come over here. Oh, that one doesn't have it. Does this one have it? This one does. This drawer here, one will hold clothespins or like big chip bag clips in that one. And then I've got scissors in this one. This is kind of like junk drawer. There's not a whole lot going on there. And then I have one other one over here. And then the final small one is over here. And then here's another small one to hold my measuring spoons. So that works out nicely. Yeah, that'll work. I bought these shelves to go in my garage to help me keep it organized, but they need to be put together before I can start using them, so that is my next task. the shelf put together. That was really easy. I expected it to be much more difficult, but it was super quick and pretty easy, pretty painless. You definitely do need a rubber mallet because that helps. A couple taps of the rubber mallet and then these sidebars go in real nice. So yeah, so now I have one more to put together because we bought 2 of them. I'm gonna get that put together and then I'll have my husband help me move them over to where I want them. And then I can start filling them up. Woohoo!